Welcome back to Moto Strom, your destination for everything luxury and on wheels. Today we're taking you inside the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van, a perfect blend of German engineering and modern mobile living. If you're looking for a van that combines rugged reliability with upscale comfort and cutting-edge tech, this van checks every box. The 2026 Sprinter Camper van isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile luxury suite built on one of the most trusted commercial platforms in the world. Designed to tackle long road trips, off-grid escapes, and weekend getaways in style, it's a symbol of freedom with no compromise on comfort. Built on the upgraded Sprinter chassis, it features a sleek aerodynamic design with new LED headlamps, chrome accents, and blackout grille options that give it a bold, adventurous look. Its large panoramic side windows bring in ample natural light, giving it a more open and airy feeling inside. Inside, this camper van is like a modern apartment on wheels. The interior is crafted with premium materials, real wood trims, soft-touch leather seats, ambient lighting, and a high-tech digital cockpit featuring Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX infotainment system. The living space offers a convertible lounge bed setup, a compact kitchenette with induction cooktop and fridge, plus a wet bath with shower and toilet. You also get ample storage, USB-C ports everywhere, and solar panels integrated into the roof to keep your devices powered when you're off-grid. Under the hood, the 2026 Sprinter Camper van comes with a 2.0L turbo diesel engine or optional 4-cylinder gas engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. Mercedes' optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures you can take this van almost anywhere, from highways to unpaved forest trails. Driving is incredibly refined thanks to active safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera systems. The pricing for the 2026 Sprinter Camper van starts around $165,000, but the value lies in its unmatched build quality, fuel efficiency, and resale strength. It's not just a vehicle, it's an investment in a flexible lifestyle. Whether you're a weekend explorer, a digital nomad, or planning to live full-time on the road, this van offers top-tier luxury in a manageable size. If you're serious about turning the road into your home, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Camper van should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to subscribe to Moto Strom for more in-depth reviews on luxury rides. Hit the like button if van life excites you, and let us know in the comments where you'd take this beauty first. Until next time, stay rolling in style.